The Creep Rupture Interactive Calculator determines critical failure times and parameters for materials under high-temperature stress conditions. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate rupture time using Larson-Miller, calculate allowable stress, calculate maximum temperature, calculate Larson-Miller parameter, calculate rupture time using Monkman-Grant, or calculate minimum creep rate. I'm using Calculate Rupture Time with Larson-Miller. Enter your applied stress in MPa, temperature in degrees Celsius, and material constant C. The calculator also requires Larson-Miller parameter, rupture time in hours, minimum creep rate as percentage per hour, Monkman-Grant constant M, Monkman-Grant exponent, stress coefficient A, and stress exponent N. Here's our example. With applied stress at 150 MPa, temperature at 550 degrees Celsius, material constancy of 20, and other default values shown, clicking Calculate Results gives us a primary result of 2696.3674489139992 hours. The temperature converts to 823.15 Kelvin, the LMP value calculates to 29988, and the safety assessment indicates extended life expected. This astronomical rupture time confirms the material will perform exceptionally well under these conditions. This tool streamlines complex creep analysis calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.